Here are some things you might want to avoid doing in Disneyland, California. Underestimating crowds. Disneyland can get crowded, especially during peak seasons. Be prepared for longer wait times and plan your visit during less busy times if possible. Ignoring FastPass options. Take advantage of the FastPass system to minimize wait times for popular attractions. Ignoring this can lead to longer queues. Skipping character meet and greets. If you're a fan of Disney characters, don't skip the meet and greets. It's an opportunity for memorable photos and interactions. Overlooking parade and show times. Check the schedule for parades, shows, and character performances. Missing these can mean missing out on some of Disneyland's magical entertainment. Ignoring mobile app features. Download the Disneyland app. It provides real-time information on ride wait times, show schedules, dining options, and more. Ignore this resource could lead to missed opportunities. Neglecting dining reservations. If you plan to dine at popular restaurants, make reservations in advance. Waiting times can be long for walk-ins at popular dining locations. Avoiding rider switch for families. Families with small children can utilize the rider switch program, allowing one adult to wait with the non-riding child while the others experience the attraction. Avoiding this option can mean longer waits for everyone. Missing nighttime spectaculars. Disneyland offers spectacular nighttime shows, such as fireworks and light displays. Don't leave early and miss these enchanting experiences. Ignoring height requirements. Be aware of height requirements for certain rides. Ignoring these guidelines may lead to disappointment if someone in your party is unable to participate. Overpacking. While it's essential to be prepared, avoid overpacking. Large bags and excessive items can be cumbersome in crowded areas. Neglecting hydration. Disneyland can be physically demanding, and the California sun can be intense. Stay hydrated by carrying water with you to avoid fatigue. Skipping hidden gems. Disneyland has many hidden gems and details that add to the magic. Take the time to explore nooks and crannies, and don't rush through the park. Ignoring rider health warnings. Pay attention to health warnings on rides. If you have health concerns or conditions, consider whether a particular ride is suitable for you. Underestimating walking distances. Disneyland is a large park, and walking distances can be significant. Wear comfortable shoes and be prepared for a lot of walking. Remember, these are general suggestions, and your Disneyland experience may vary. The key is to plan ahead, stay flexible, and make the most of the magical moments Disneyland has to offer. Visit our soon-to-be-launched Supat site to find a blog post related to this video. Kindly share your desired destinations and the specific information you're seeking. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. Explore our websites, New Beginning and My New Beginning, representing the digital enterprises that have afforded us the financial freedom to pursue our travel aspirations. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you're aiming to develop your solopreneurship. Visit Supats for a collection of travel vlogs and blogs centered around mindset and spirituality. Inform us of your preferences, and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Thank you, and may you be blessed abundantly.